Hey y'all, welcome to my channel and to today's video. So we're gonna be doing a simple updo, but the essence of this video is to show you how you can use a mousse that does not have hold and make it have hold. The mousse I'm using here is the anti-jacket first patrol, and I'm gonna top it up with this curling custard. Now, if you have any mousse available and you realize that that mousse is not giving you hold, especially if you are using it for a hair updo, a natural hair updo, not all of the mousses are formulated to give you enough hold to hold your style in place for like 2, 3, 4, or 5 days. Some of the mousses you realize that at the end of day one it's just not holding the hair very well, especially if you're using it as an updo, which is what I'm saying. So for me, I have found a way of doing making the mousse have more hold, and that is to add a topper gel, which is this curling custard from Cocoa Black Naturals. What I do is to just top it up, or after I've applied my mousse, which does not have hold, I also just layer the topper gel on it so that it gives it more hold. Now the gel has really great hold, which is why I'm using this particular gel. Not all of them, all gels can be used for this, especially if you're using something like Eco Styler and the rest. They don't also have hold, just like the mousse, like that much hold. So it will be difficult to hold the hair in place with such a combo. So this combo is a very great combo because the custard I'm using has very strong hold, and then the gel the custard I'm using has very strong hold, and then the mousse does not have that much hold. So you get the thing. It's more like me blending the two products to make it um work well. Yeah. So this is what I'm just doing. I'm just trying to style it for you to see how it will look. Okay. So I'm doing 4 big twists, and this was on a freshly washed hair that was towel dried. Yeah. So this is a very simple style that I just wanted to do to show you how this style came out. And so I just used a band to tie the 4 twists in place, and then as you can see what I'm doing, trying to put the create a hole in the twist and then just wrap it inside. Or I don't know, but yeah, this is what I'm doing. And so this is simply the style. It's a very simple style if you don't have any style to do, and this is what we have. So when you usually do this, the custard has a very strong hold. It also dries faster. So you realize that when you do something like this, you don't necessarily need to set the hair under heat, unless of course you want to do so. So I did this video in the night, so this is the morning, and like I said, I didn't set it with heat or anything. I just went to sleep, and this is the morning. My hair had really set well, and you can see that there was no frizz. Everything was in place. I think I had this hairstyle in place for like for the whole work days, for the whole work week, so 5 days, and it was really in place. So if you want to make your mousse have greater hold, I suggest you use a gel, and the link to where I got the gel will be in the description.